If you wear a kilt, eventually someone will ask. If you're a true Scotsman, here's some possible responses, depending on the situation. Ma'am, where I come from, a lady never asks, and a gentleman never tells. Hey, well, that's for me to know and you to find out. Well, that's for me to know and one or more partners of my preferred gender to consensually discover. Well, that's between me and the TSA. I'm sorry, that information is classified. On the advice of counsel, I can only reveal that information after you sign this non-disclosure agreement. You don't need to know about my undergarments.
Filthy hobbitses will never know what I have in my pockets.
I'm sorry. Are you asking if I'm peace bonded? No. I am not documenting my attack surface in public. Why are you asking strangers about their underwear?